AOPS number theory 4.33. Find the four smallest positive multiples of 6, each of which is either a perfect square or a perfect cube. So, since it has to be a perfect square or a perfect cube, first we do 6 squared, which is 36. And then we need the four smallest positive multiples of 6. So you do 36 times 1 squared, which is 36, and 36 times 2 squared, which is 144, 36 times 3 squared, which is 324, and 36 times 4 squared, which is 576. So you have to multiply it by 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, and 4 squared so that it's a perfect square or a perfect cube. And then to see which one, because something cubed might be bigger or smaller than one of these squared, so 36 times 1 cubed is equal to 36, and if you do 36 times 2 cubed, that's equal to, actually you have to, if you want to do the cubed part, you have to do 6 to the 6 cubed, because then it might not be, the product might not be a perfect cube. So 6 cubed is 216. I'll erase this. So 216 times 1 cubed is 216, which is smaller than any of these, so that would work. And then 216 times 2 cubed is 1728, so it's bigger than any of these, so it won't be part of the smallest 4. So the smallest 4 would be 36, 144, 324, and 216. AOPS number theory 4.34. Find the product of the GCD and the LCM of 18 and 42. So the product of the GCD and the LCM of 18 and 42 is the product of 18 and 42. So 18 times 42 is 756. So the product of the GCD of them is 756. AOPS number theory 4.35. The GCD of N and 216 is 24, and their LCM is 864. Find N. So the product of the GCD and the LCM of two numbers is the product of those two numbers. So 216N is equal to the product of their GCD, which is 24, and their LCM, which is 864. So 216N is equal to 24 times 864. So if you divide 216 on both sides, then N will be equal to 24 times 864 over 216, and 864 divided by 216 is 4, so you can cancel those out. So N is equal to 24 times 4, which is equal to 96.